Welcome to this demo video, where you'll learn about how augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR are transforming industries and enhancing user experiences through innovative technologies. By the end of this demo video, you will be able to understand the key differences between AR and VR, explore the capabilities of Deep's SDK, and discover real-world applications of AR in advertising, retail, and beyond. Augmented reality, or AR, improves the real world by adding digital elements such as graphics, sounds, and sensory inputs to the user's physical surroundings. AR is commonly utilized across various sectors, including retail, healthcare, and entertainment, to enhance user experiences. It provides real-time information, enables product interaction, and creates engaging experiences for users. AR enhances interaction, making experiences more engaging and immersive for users in multiple contexts. Advanced AR development services are expanding the possibilities of this technology, opening up new potential for its use. This results in more sophisticated and seamless connections between digital content and the physical environment. Virtual reality or VR generates a completely immersive digital setting where users can engage with virtual objects and scenarios. VR is widely used in gaming, simulation training, and real estate to deliver 360-degree environments and realistic interactions. AR enhances the real world with digital overlays, while VR transports users into entirely new digital environments. These technologies serve distinct purposes. AR is best suited for real-time applications, whereas VR is preferred for fully immersive experiences. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of augmented reality with Deep AR. This innovative company is revolutionizing how we experience digital content through their powerful AR SDK. Deep AR provides a range of products that enhance user engagement through augmented reality. Their SDK offers features like face filters, beauty effects, hair coloring, background replacement, and even emotion detection. With a focus on body tracking and other immersive technologies, Deep AR is paving the way for seamless integration of AR experiences across various platforms. Deep AR's technology is being utilized in various industries. Here are some notable use cases such as try-ons for glasses, shoes, and watches. Let's focus on one of the most exciting applications, the shoe try-on feature. Imagine you're shopping online for a new pair of sneakers. With Deep AR's technology, you can preview how the shoes look on your feet without ever leaving your home. Here's how it works. First, you begin by selecting the shoe style you want to try on from the app or website. Next, using your device's camera, Deep AR overlays a realistic 3D model of the shoes onto your feet in real time. You can move around and see how they look from different angles. After that, you can even customize colors and styles to find the perfect match for your outfit. Lastly, you can also scan the QR code to try on the shoes with your own mobile phone. Deep AR is not just about trying on shoes. It's about creating memorable experiences that bridge the gap between physical and digital shopping. Let's explore how AR transforms the advertising landscape and enhances user engagement. Augmented reality ads combine digital content with the real world, creating immersive experiences that captivate audiences. With Deep AR's advanced SDK, brands can create stunning AR effects that engage users like never before. Deep AR's technology opens up a range of use cases for businesses. It enhances video chats with fun filters and effects, making conversations more engaging. Interactive try-on experiences for products like glasses and shoes let customers visualize items before purchase. High-impact advertising campaigns, like those for Beats and Disneyland, utilize AR to draw in potential customers. It brings products to life in your own space, with Room AR allowing customers to visualize how items fit into their lives. Incorporating Deep AR's innovative solutions into your marketing strategy allows you to create memorable advertising experiences. With Deep ARI, changing your hair color is just a click away. Choose from vibrant shades like fiery red, deep blue, or classic blonde. Each color is designed to enhance your natural beauty. Simply upload your photo or try it live through the app. Watch your hair transform in real time, allowing you to experiment without commitment. Deep AR Studio is your go-to platform for creating stunning augmented reality content. With Deep AR Studio, you can craft, modify, and enhance AR experiences effortlessly. Whether you're using pre-designed templates or building from scratch, the intuitive tools make it easy. Deep AR Developer Portal offers extensive resources to integrate Deep AR's powerful SDK into your mobile application. Access detailed documentation, connect with other developers in the forum, and get support as you bring your AR vision to life. Join the AR revolution with Deep AR Studio and Developer Portal. In this demo video, you learned that AR adds digital overlays to the real world, while VR creates fully immersive digital environments. Deeper's SDK empowers industries with advanced AR capabilities like face filters, virtual try-ons, and immersive advertising solutions. Incorporating AR through tools like DeepAR Studio and Developer Portal can revolutionize user experiences across platforms.